Think it's not a good idea if I go for smoking hookah tonight. I am sick though, but hey, maybe I can add your sorry. What was your Discord? Let me add your Discord instead. How are you? 123년 걸어 끝났나 하치 90 11 Look, man, if I go to Japan this year finally, I really want to be approached by that street photographer. And yes, because I will look so cute in what is it, Y2K makeup style. Because look, I don't know why, but a lot of people, even on my Instagram now, recently I got asked like, are you Kazakhs? Because my face is very multicultural Asian face. I'm actually from Southeast Asia, but I get a lot that I look like Kazakh, I look like Japanese or Korean, which is I get offended when they call me looks like Korean because like look, man, most Korean women they get plastic surgery, and their natural beauty and natural face is not really that good. I don't know if you ever seen an average Korean people. I've seen it a lot, but compared to like average Japanese woman, they barely have plastic surgery, but they already cute. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's okay, but I prefer because I learned Japanese. I know nothing about Korean. I know some phrase like, wait, hajimemashite is Korean. Sorry, it's Japanese. Sorry, it's Japanese. Okay, Korean is like, 안녕하세요, 아리타입니다. 나나나. I feel like I don't look like Korean at all. You know what I mean? I have eyelid. They don't. We're different. Add me on Discord. You will be approached by every Japanese guy. No, but I want a photographer. Okay, let me add your Discord. The master is looking. Do you have PayPal? Will she will be loved? Wait, why? What happened here? I don't understand using this. Like, what is wrong with Discord? I don't understand. You only need Yoka in Korean means fuck you. Really? Yotka? Really? I only know Shibao. Shibao. Yeah. What was your username? Will message me on Discord so we can get you paid. Yes, I do have PayPal. Will 09 18 30. Arita-chan, hi. Nani ga suki? Chocominta? Yorome anata. Yes, I do have PayPal. Wait, I think I did, no? Did you receive it? Or no? The friend request. Will. Ah, there you go. Hi. Where are you from? Cute. My dog is so cute. What's your name? Can add me too on Discord. I don't know who you are in your server. Look, okay. That one is like for community, right? I didn't build that. I think either Jacob, my mods, I don't know where he been. He been gone for a long time. Um, I have ADHD. Wait. Yeah. So I joined that too, and most people just add me without a request, and I find it annoying, you know. And I have to um log out because what the heck? Look, I don't understand using Discord. Okay, I don't understand. I'm hungry. Wait, I'm ordering that. I don't have their number. The restaurant close. Let me check. I think 11. 10. Jeez. Um, don't talk about what we talk about in Discord. I'm from Netherlands. Ik ben Alita. Ik ben good. Ik ben lit. Thank you. Oh my god. Wait, I have to make a call with the owner of the restaurant just because the food that I want from the display, they don't put it on display. So it's annoying because I want, frikadel. They have it, but they don't have it on the app. So I have to call Andreas. I will speak my language. I will speak my language, but I don't want you guys to know where I'm from. Come on, I'm hungry. Please. That is so stupid. Why they don't put it on display? Come on, man. I mean, okay, maybe the other owner, Mike. Okay, where's Mike? Hey, Mike. I want to order my dinner. But you guys,